Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to explore how to create a free Salesforce account for practice. This account will provide you with a comprehensive platform to develop, test, and deploy Salesforce applications. Let's dive in. Step 1. Sign up process. To get started, click on link in description to go to Salesforce. This will direct you to the Salesforce sign up page. Step 2. Fill out the sign up form with the following details: your name, email address, job role, company, country. Make sure to agree to the service agreement and click Sign Me Up. Step 3. Verify your account. After signing up, you'll receive an email to verify your account. Be patient, as this may take around 5 to 10 minutes. Once you receive the email, click on the verification link to activate your account. Step 4. Reset your password. Next, you'll be prompted to reset your password. Make sure to create a strong password that meets the required criteria. At least 8 characters. At least 1 letter. At least 1 number. This will help you recover your account in case you forget your password. Exploring your account. Now that you have a free Salesforce developer account, take some time to explore the different features and sections. Home section. This is your dashboard, where you can view your account information, notifications, and quick links. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave your questions in the comments below.